Hello, I'm Luna. Welcome to English with Luna. Today, I'm going to tell you a simple and calm story in English. A story about trying something new and the feeling of stepping out of your comfort zone. This story will help you improve your listening, your vocabulary, and help you feel more confident with English. So take a deep breath, listen carefully, and if you can, repeat the sentences after me. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just follow the story. Let's begin. It is a quiet morning. The sky is clear. Soft light comes through the window. Mia sits on her bed, looking at her phone. She reads the same message again. You can come today if you want. She takes a deep breath, in and out. She feels nervous, but also curious. She has never done this before. Never. Maybe I should go, she says softly. Then she stops and thinks again. What if I don't like it? What if it's difficult? She looks at the message one more time, then smiles a little. Or maybe it's good, she says. She stands up slowly, walks to the mirror, looks at herself. Let's try, she whispers. She gets ready. Simple clothes, comfortable, nothing special. Her heart beats a little faster, but she keeps going. She takes her bag, walks to the door, stops for a second, hand on the handle. One more breath, in and out. Then she opens the door and steps outside. The air feels fresh, new, different. And as she starts walking, she knows one thing. Today is not a normal day. Mia walks slowly. The street feels different today, not because it changed, but because she feels different. She looks around. People pass by. Some are in a hurry, others walk calmly. Everything feels normal, but inside, she feels something new, a mix of nerves and excitement. After a few minutes, she arrives. She stops in front of the place, a simple building, a glass door. She looks inside. A few people are there, talking, moving, laughing. She takes a deep breath, in and out. Okay, she says quietly. Then she opens the door and walks in. The room is bright, open, warm. Someone looks at her and smiles. Hi, a voice says. Mia looks up. Hi, she replies. First time? The person asks. Mia nods. Yes. The person smiles again. Don't worry, it's easy. Mia smiles a little. Okay, I'll try. She walks further inside, looks around. Everything feels new, unfamiliar, but not scary, just different. She watches the others, how they move, how they speak, how they smile. Then she stands in one place, quiet, observing, learning. Step by step, she says softly, and slowly she starts to feel ready. Mia takes a small step forward. Slowly, carefully, she joins the others. Not too close, but not far. She watches again. Then she tries. A small movement. Simple. Not perfect, but real. She stops for a second. Looks around. No one is judging her. No one is looking in a bad way. People are focused, relaxed, doing their own thing. Mia takes another breath, in and out and tries again. This time, a little better. She smiles. Just a little. That's okay, she says softly. The person from before walks by. You're doing great, they say. Mia looks at them. Really? She asks. Yes, they reply. Just keep going. Mia nods. Okay. She continues, step by step, movement by movement. Now she feels it. Not fear, not doubt. Something different. Confidence. Small, but growing. She laughs a little. At herself. At the moment. I'm actually doing it, she says. And for the first time, she is not thinking about failing. She is just doing. Just being there. Just trying. And that feels enough. Time passes, slowly but surely. Mia continues, step by step, movement by movement. Now it feels different. Not strange, not uncomfortable, just natural. She is still learning, still making small mistakes, but she doesn't stop. She smiles more now. Her body feels lighter. Her mind feels calm. After some time, she stops, just for a moment, to breathe. In and out. She looks around, at the people, at the place, at herself. This was a good idea, she says softly. The person from before walks by again. See? Not so bad, they say. Mia smiles. Yeah, not so bad. She takes her things, slowly, no rush. She walks to the door, stops for a second, and looks back. The same place, but now it feels different, familiar, comfortable. She opens the door and steps outside. The air feels fresh again, but this time she feels stronger, more confident, more open. She takes a deep breath, in and out. I'm glad I came, she says, and as she walks away, she knows something. Trying something new is not about being perfect, it's about showing up and taking the first step. And today, she did exactly that. Thank you for listening. I hope this story helped you feel a little more confident and a little more connected to English. Maybe you are trying something new too. Maybe it feels uncomfortable, and that's okay. Every new step feels a little difficult at first, but little by little, you get stronger. You feel more confident. You grow. You can listen to this story again, repeat the sentences, and take your time. There's no rush. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. Just like Mia. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. See you in the next story.